In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message on TikTok. First, make sure you're logged into your TikTok account, then head over to your main profile dashboard. You can get there by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This is your personal hub, where you see your videos, your bio, and your settings. We're starting here because it's a simple and consistent place to begin, no matter what device you're using. Once you're on your profile, look towards the top area of the screen and find the search option. On the app, this is often represented by a magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and tap on search. This opens the TikTok search page, where you can look up videos, sounds, hashtags, and most importantly for this tutorial, other users. In the search bar at the top, type in the username or account name of the person you want to message. Try to type it as accurately as possible, especially if the name is common, because TikTok may show you a lot of similar accounts. You'll see different types of results appear, like top results, videos, sounds, and users. To narrow this down, tap on the Users tab. This filters the search so you're only seeing TikTok profiles, not random videos or sounds. This makes it much easier to find the exact person or brand you're trying to contact. From the list of user results, scroll until you spot the correct account, then tap on their profile picture or name to open their profile page. Take a quick look to confirm it's the right profile by checking their username, profile picture, or any familiar content. On their profile page, look near the top for the message button, which is usually positioned next to the follow button. If you see it, tap on message. Keep in mind that on some accounts, especially if their privacy settings are stricter or if you're not connected, you might not see the option to message at all. Once you're in the chat screen, you'll see a message field at the bottom. Tap into that field and type your message. You can write a simple text, add emojis, or keep it short and clear depending on why you're reaching out. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the send icon, which looks like a small paper plane. Tap that icon and your message will be sent to the user.